In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively hide a page in Webflow by saving it as a draft. Navigating Webflow can sometimes feel daunting, especially if you're trying to manage your site's content efficiently while keeping it neat and organized. But don't worry, hiding a page temporarily isn't as complicated as it might seem at first, and that's exactly what I'm here to guide you through today. First things first, we begin by opening up Webflow. Make sure you're logged into your account and navigate to your dashboard. Once you're there, locate and open the specific site that you want to work on. It's important to ensure you're in the correct project to avoid making changes to the wrong site, saving yourself some confusion. Upon opening your desired site, direct your attention to the platform's sidebar where you'll find a menu. Here, you're going to want to click on the section labeled Pages. This is where all the magic happens, and this step ensures you're viewing the list of all your existing pages within the site. As you hover over this list, identify the page you're planning to hide. Perhaps it's a page that's still under development, or maybe it's holiday-specific content that no longer needs to be visible. When you've found that specific page, you're looking for the options that appear next to it. Here, you should see an option labeled as Edit Page Settings. This is essentially your gateway to modifying several key settings related to the particular page. Now, once you're in the page settings, look towards the Save options. Next to the Save button, there is a small downward-facing arrow. Click on this arrow to reveal a drop-down menu. This little feature is handy for exploring additional save methods that aren't immediately visible, so it's good to know how to access it. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select Save as Draft. By choosing this option, you effectively hide the page from public view, keeping it in an unpublished state without actually deleting it from your project. It's a great way to maintain control over your site's visibility while safely keeping incomplete or seasonal pages on hand. With these steps, your selected page is safely tucked away as a draft. This small but powerful action on your part ensures your site remains up to date and professional, presenting only the content that you want viewers to see right now. I hope this guide helps you manage your website's content more effectively, keeping your workspace clutter-free and organized. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a quick refresher on how to toggle your pages between visible and draft status. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.